What up, what up? It's your boy Young Rookie again, 100 Magazine, doing it live, all the way down here in Atlanta, chilling with my man. Let him introduce himself, y'all already know what time it is, man.
Hey, what to do is your boy Type Minor Traction. So I don't see Don Dollar Mr. 150 on the dash, addicted to money records.
Man, that's what I'm saying, man. I'm checking out the video right now, man. Tell them the title of the video, man. I'm like how y'all got this, man, too, man. It's looking nice, man. Where y'all get the idea for this from, man?
Actually, man, I'm gonna give a shout out to Raw Court first of all. He the one to be shooting all my video.
Right.
We came up with this little concept like, you know, the Stars video. That's the name of the song, Stars. So, you know, we just really just getting a little concept, a little street music, just let you know what I'm basically really about, you know what I'm saying?
That's hot, man.
So it's one of the realest songs on road, you know what I'm saying, for like, you know, just the lifestyle down here in the mountain or whatever, you know what I'm saying? I know they get caught up a lot with all that damn music, but it's a whole nother side too, like on some boss type. Like, you know, every city got their little, you know what I'm saying? And then
you got the other side.
You got the other side, the real music, you know what I'm saying? So that's the way it's at with that.
Man, I was peeping that at the beginning, man. You walk up, drop the money down, give my man, you know what I'm saying, get back to the street. That's real good how you do it, man.
Yeah.
But the swag 100, man. The swag 100.
It's funny you said it 100. That's the name of the magazine. Hey. I got a song called Keep It 100. I think it's going to be the next video.
That's what I want to hear about right there, man. Let me know what's up with the Splack Session, man. I ain't trying to put you on the spot. Explain to everybody. Look, this is what I'm gonna tell you too. Because we 100 magazine, we like to keep it 100.
Exactly.
Give me the G rated, and then give me the real rated. Give me the, you know what I'm saying. Let them really know what the Splack Session is.
Okay, the G rated is, you know, the six position says it all. You know what I'm saying? Like a Splack said, you know, you being big, splacking everything, and be wet. You know what I'm saying? They're the X rated. They Ray J and Kim Kardashian. You know what I'm saying? And so the G rated, you know, it just. Like, you know, you be in the bedroom, whatever goes, no all gas, no break with your female, your lady friend. That's if you're comfortable with her, you know what I'm saying?
Right.
So anything go, you know, it just a splash set, you know.
Man. So man, speaking of how a lot of ladies been, how the feedback from the ladies been on this song?
Oh man, it's crazy. Man. Actually, man, I got a couple of little records out in the club. And I had this record called Dump That Dick. That's where it started at, you know what I'm saying? So really a lot of DJs be like, man, give me something like that. You know, Dump That Dick. We cleaned it up for radio a little bit, so they'll play it in the mix. So I linked up with my dude Future and Junior Boondado on this Splack Session. That's about a hard hit count. Shout out to them boys. So actually, you know, the song going crazy in the club. You know what I'm saying? So.
Man, that's all about the action, man. About the same little song. You see, you hooked up with Future and them on there, man. Kind of got a little buzz. Yeah, he got a great buzz going on. He's like my little brother, man. We've been right for a long time. From like Edgewood and Kirkwood, we right down the street from each other. So, you know, we've always been in the game. How I feel, man, getting everything. You see, you kind of can foresee your future a little bit. And you see that hill climbing yourself, getting, you know what I'm saying, get to the point where people starting to buck with you, you know what I'm saying. How does it feel, man, like from an artist standpoint?
I mean, actually, man, I've been kind of behind the scenes just writing song for a couple of other artists. But you know, like back in the day, I don't know if you're familiar with that Check My Footwork by Mr. Big Time. You might be on, you know, I co-wrote that and I was on it as well. And I had another little record called Fresh, you know what I'm saying? Like I put Juvenile on there. They had a little buzz back when T-Pain was first cracking with that on Sprung, you know what I'm saying? So I mean, like I've been doing it for a minute. So I'm just really just working, you know, just been like trying to stay consistent, you know what I'm saying? So with this Splack Session thing, you know, it went crazy with the Dump That Dick went crazy in the club. Then we remixed that with Coco Brown with the Still Dumping. So we just came back with Splack Session, but you know, we got the party music. That's all we do down here, the party. So, you know, you got this side right here, the real side, like the boss music. Then you got the party side. It's just a way of life down here, you know. You just, man, I'm just about getting money, having fun, man. You can't be stiff all your life, you know what I'm saying? So,
100 Magazine, right here bringing it to you, know what time it is, man. But I guess I asked you some of the fan type questions, I guess now, man. If there was another genre of music that you could do other than rap, other than hip hop, what you think you'd be doing right now? Hip hop wasn't even in your plan.
Man, you know, like right now we're in my studio, Tight Sound Studio, so, you know, I always been about that business, I'm gonna make that money, so, you know, I'd probably be running some businesses like I run this studio, you know what I'm saying? So, I probably like, I give back to the kids or whatever. I give them a little Christmas thing, go to the Walmart.
That's what it counts, man. That's what it counts.
I try to give something back, for being blessed or whatever. So
people see your humbleness, man, when they see that you, they see that, even though you make videos and they may see a different side of you, but when they see that side of you right there, that make them respect you.
Yeah, man. So I'm real good with a DJ, everything's just good right now, man. I'm blessed.
Well, since you like to give to the hood, like to give back to the people, we at 100 Magazine, man. Want to give you first little issue about. We're trying to, we appreciate you messing with us, man. This is how, this is where it starts at, bro. I really appreciate that, man. For real, man. That's Black Session, man. Y'all already
Black Session, man. Y'all know www.splatSession.com. Go on www.typethemanattraction.com. And we got it on iTunes. And go check the World Star out for all the videos.
Nigga. Like they ballin', nigga, they ain't doing shit, nigga. Okay. It's a mismatch, you never compare to us, nigga. It's a whole nother goddamn level, man. You gonna see Star Trek before you get with us, nigga.
It's a mismatch, it's a mismatch. I can't believe this nigga wanna check me. It's a mismatch, it's a mismatch. Who the hell it do really supposed to be? For me to do it like you, I gotta downgrade. Quit rocking out in Louis, start rocking J. Quit selling out in Kings and get a 9 to 5. Work for the